Do you notice if other guys to check out of your girlfriend, or does it bother you? Or does it actually boost your ego, or do you not care? Yan ang naging tanong namin sa aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan. Tila nagalit, seloso talaga. Nako, say ng aktor, yes, I don't notice and I don't like it one bit if I notice someone looking at my woman. I give him the look. The look is meant to convey the following message. She's mine. Yeah, I know she's hot and beautiful, but back off, she's mine.